Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the 5 sites that made me over $300 from my phone in the first month of using them. I always thought it was really difficult to make money online, so that's why when I stumbled across these sites, I was pretty excited. Now the reason why I love these side hustle sites so much is that you don't have to liaise with a boss or a client in order to make money from these sites. So I'm about to jump into the 5 sites that I've been using, but stick around to the end of this short video because number 5 is my absolute favorite. Number 1 is Octopus Surveys. This is a site that pays you for taking online surveys. Now these surveys do come through less often than other survey sites I use, but they also happen to have the highest paying surveys that I personally have seen on any survey sites that I've tried so far. I think currently Octopus Surveys is only available in Australia and New Zealand, but other survey sites that I use that I'll mention later that I'm pretty sure are available worldwide. Number 2 is UserTesting. This is a great way to make money online by testing websites and apps. So all you have to do is answer a few questions about the website or the app, and then you'll get paid in US dollars to your PayPal account. The tests I'm doing, I normally get about $10 US for about a 10-minute test. But there are other ones on there if you're willing to do video interviews that pay a lot better. The only downside though is that you actually have to qualify to get a test because you might not be the right person for a certain kind of test. So you have to take like a pre-test test. If you're the right person, then yes, you go through the test. But if you're not the person that the company is looking for to do a user test for them, you'll get disqualified. So sometimes I'm doing like 30 pre-screens and get disqualified before I actually get a test to do. So that is one downside, but I still have made about $90 from user testing so far, and I've only been using it for about 6 weeks. Number 3 is Pureprofile Surveys. This is another survey site which pays you pretty well. You can get paid for taking surveys and you can also get paid for referring your friends. With these survey sites, I just do them in my downtime on my phone, so like while I'm watching TV, while I'm on public transport, when I'm at the gym, just during times when I wouldn't otherwise be making money anyway. Number 4, Depop. So if you're looking to make money online selling your old clothes, Depop is a great way to go. I use Depop to sell all of the clothes I no longer wear. I do have a few tips and tricks about selling clothes on Depop, so if you would like a tips and tricks Depop video, please comment below and I'll make that video too. And number 5, my all-time favorite side hustle right now is AttaPoll Surveys. It's a great platform for taking surveys and earning money. And with this money, you can literally draw it out to your PayPal account, and from your PayPal account, you can send it to your bank account. I've been using AttaPoll Surveys for about 6 weeks now, and I've made $200, actually more than $200 alone from this particular app. The surveys do take time to do, and the amount of money that you make in exchange for your time sometimes isn't as good as it would be at a regular job. Often it isn't actually. But like I said before, these are things I'm doing in my downtime when I wouldn't otherwise be making money anyway. There you have it, my 5 favorite side hustles and the sites that made me earn over $300 in my first month of using them. I have links to all these sites below. Now some of these links are my referral codes, which means I may earn a small commission from you using my codes. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help support me and my channel. Also, you don't have to use my links. You can also just go and Google these sites. I hope you found this video helpful. This will be the first of many videos similar to this, as I do talk a lot about making money online and ways that I've found so I can share with all of you to hopefully help you make money online too. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and give me a follow.